No point wasting any time, guys. No more point wasting any more time. I've got to get out there. I've got to stop lagging. I've really got to stop lagging. Esky, check. Last night's squid. Always when I put the squid in a bag, right? I always put it in the fridge, but I don't. What's this camera? I don't close the bag. Leave the bag open so air can get to it, so they don't sweat too much. Look how perfect the squid is. Wait. Look how perfect they are. So that's going to be used tonight. Leave it open. Don't leave it so I can sweat. Rods. What rods am I taking? I'm taking the Saltus rod with the 8000 SW Stratic, and an 6000 Stratic, and the, oh my god, the Sustain 2500 HG with the jewel. And believe it or not, this is one of the best boat rods. It's an Akuma. I swear I don't use Akuma, you guys know I don't, but boat rod, wow, what a rod. It's called Delta, Akuma Delta. What a bloody rod. I'm telling you right now, what a rod. Anyway, I'm going to set up now. I'm getting ready, and I'm going to go pick up my mate, and we're going to go to the river. Oh my god, the car is boiling. The car is boiling. Let it warm up. Let's get ready to go. He's annoyed. The mosquitoes are eating him. He's this. Anyway, we're going out in the boat. Let's do it. Oh, we're going.
You're gonna love it.
Wow. Where's the rod holders, there? Oh, here and here. We got another one of these?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going out.
Vlogging camera?
Yeah, not vlogging, fucking YouTube.
Yeah, it's nice.
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
Anyway, we're going out like this with eggs.
Is it?
We're going to catch some fish. Tying it up to the... Tying it up to the AKA Ford Ranger. Let's go. Quick stop at the servo to fill her up. I'm going to be comfortable. We're going to be comfortable. Where's the seat for there? Why? You don't need it?
The esky, mate.
The esky. Oh. Alright guys, we're here. We are here. We're going to dock off. Prestige water, I should say. I think it's going to be packed out there, so I'm thinking about trying around here. We'll figure it out. Might be a bit windy out there, but we're going to figure it out. But we're going to give it a go. We're going to try as hard as we can to get some fish for you tonight. Weekly episode. Let's do it. Look at this cute boat. It's got seating area here. Brother, let's do it. Let's get some fishies. Alright, what a night guys, what a night. I'm really happy to be here. I'm with you all know him, he's been on my channel for years and years and years. I've known him since he was a little boy. I'm very good friends with their family. I love him. I'm going to be at his wedding when he gets married, believe me. I'm going to put some squid on. That beautiful squid I caught last night. This esky down here. That beautiful squid I caught last night. Look at it. It's in prime condition. Gonna whack on a squid. Only the little ones are gonna use whole. Oh wow, look at them, bro. Please hold that. Look how firm they are.
Didn't you freeze them?
No. I found a trick, bro. You do not. You put them in a bag and you leave the bag open. You do not. As soon as you cover them, they sweat. I'm gonna put this first squid on. I'm surprised they're not flushing still. See, we get the bait that's still flushing at Liverpool Bait and Tackle. This is caught last night and it's not even flushing, guys. That's how fresh our baits in our Liverpool Bait and Tackle. Can't get fresher than that, and you've seen the proof with your own eyes. Oh mate, this is a perfect bait. You cannot get better.
What do you reckon about this combo?
You cannot get better than that. That's a hot combo, bro. Wow, that's a really good combo. You cannot get better than that, honestly. Wow. Now, I'm going to be throwing out into the darkness and then using some lures as well. So we're not going to tangle each other. We're going to do everything right. We're going to have a really peaceful night tonight. I'm going to cast that over there, out of the way of everyone. Just let it sink. And then I'm going to set up another rod, maybe put a livey on that one. Catch a livey, start flicking some plastics, start even going for some bream. Whatever comes up. Put that in the rod holder. There's so much debris coming through the water right now. It's like actually crazy. Look at that. Anyway, let's go. Let's catch some fish, guys. Let's go. No. Oh, what are you far out? Oh, he got off. I am too. Oh. He got off the little bugger.
Plastic?
Yeah.
Come fetch something quickly on some plastic juice. Hey Morgan, that looks like a big boy, bro. Enter.
That was the first cast with the AKA sauce. Oy. Get the net.
Get the net?
Oh, he's not big.
Yeah, but look at some plastic lads. How's your day? Where are you going? I don't think so that's a Dewey. I think it's a big fish.
Dewey.
Dewey?
Oh, that's a trevally.
Telefon?
Trevally.
Saleta Kennedy Ahmed.
Trevally first cast on the lure. Say hi, baby.
Any fish you don't want, just put it in the esky or give it to my neighbour, like that kind of fish. Fish starter, man.
It's a beautiful eating fish. Stop, mate, stop. So our first cast on the OG. This is the OG for that one. Oh!
Open!
She slipped out of my hand, I promise you. He was meant to live. Nah, we're drifting to a decent spot. Give me a little maniac. Little flatty. Oh, no rag. I'll have to use something.
Pliers.
Doing the rap dance. Doing the rap dance. I'm just gonna get a rag, guys. What can I use? I can use. Where's my bag? I'll use a jumper or something. T-shirt or something to grab this guy. So, 2 casts, 2 fish. Okay. The first one, oh, man. The first one was a trevally, and the second cast was a flatty. Standard, but we want the Jewies. Standard. I'm just going to have to use my hands. Put this net here. Grab him very carefully so it doesn't sting me. Let's get some more, eh? That's what fishing's all about, is having fun with friends. Yeah, mate.
I want you to set up my plastic pot.
Yeah, come on.
You do that for me.
Fix that plastic up. I'm going to try a new plastic tonight, guys. Third cast, third fish, no joke. Third cast, third fish. So the rain really doesn't scare him off too bad. I'm using the BG, haven't used the BG in a while. Just got him repaired. Okay. Alright. Do you get a hit? Yeah, when you get that hit, brother, just grab onto it. Be very careful with these guys because they like to shake. Just hold him tight. The harder you hold him, the better. Oh, he's still shook. He's still got me. Still got me. Stop it! Anyway, let's keep going. They're around. Yes, 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 yes.
Mike, hold this. Because I'm on a big
What's that? What's
fish.
that? It's an octopus. No, it's a little shark. You on? Literally, third cast, fourth fish. I'm not joking, guys. I'm not joking. Little, but sometimes places are better with lures than baits, honestly. Honestly, guys. Sometimes places are better with lures than baits. Don't sting me. Oh, you maniac.
What are you using?
Same one you're using. Yes, it is. Do you want me to change it?
Huh?
Do you want me to change? Tonight is all about the OG, guys. I'm not using any other one except the OG. And literally 3 casts, 3 fish. Oh, four casts, 4 fish. 4 casts, 4 fish. It's the OG. Yep, see, the OG. There's the proof. Now let's go. And you know what? I won't even press pause this time. Alright? I won't press pause. I probably won't get one now because I said that. But I'm going to cast it. I'm not even going to press pause. Make it 5th fish, 5th cast. Hopefully. If God wants it to happen, it will happen. We do nothing on our own. We can make decisions, but just let it sink down the bottom, let it drift. One day I should just do a live on YouTube, and you can just watch the whole thing, and then you know there's no mucking around. I like to be very straightforward. And there is a knack to doing this, guys. You can't just go out there and throw a lure and expect to catch. You've got to do it a certain way. You've got to be in a certain area. You know what I mean? That's what makes it. And if this is going to be the 5th cast and I don't get one, I'm going to be so upset with myself. Oh, got a hit. Just be patient, let it drift. Let it drift. Let the water current take it. You on? Yep, there we go. Oh! I had my chance and I missed it. But at least I hooked, but I just didn't get him in. I still hooked, but I just didn't get him in. Maybe there's another chance before I bring it up. Maybe, I don't know. You heard the drag going off, I was on. Oh, let's just go one more. Let's just go one more, okay? Because I wasn't happy with that. Let's just go one more. Let me check the lure out. See, he's pumped it. He's hit it, so he's bent it all out of place. It's back into place now. Just one more. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Bear with me. Give it a cast. There we go. I'm that confident with a prawn lure, using a prawn lure and using the scent. It's just confidence, you know. Just makes it. Why make it smell like nothing when you can make it smell like something? Do you know what I mean? Make it smell like a prawn. That's the whole issue. That's the whole point. Bringing that plastic, instead of smelling like rubber, you want it to smell like a prawn. So that's why it's so successful. You can get it without using it, but you're just not going to get as much. Alright, let's go again, okay? I did hook up, but it came off the hook, so there still was a hook up. Let's go. Let it drift. It's on the bottom now, that's where we want it. Just going up off the bottom. You on? Yeah, he's on with the OG. He's on with the OG. Here is rod going off, guys. See if we can get a double hook up.
What's that massive bream?
Yeah, boy.
No.
Oh, you got a blackfish. Wow. They even like the blackfish liked like the 8K saws. Blackfish. Wow. Alright. Oh yes, it came through. It came through, guys. It came through. Even though it's a small fish, it came through. OG. The OG came through, guys. Alright, beautiful. I'm going to keep going now. Sorry for wasting time, but you just had to see it for yourselves. Love yous. Yeah, let's check out this really good eating, those blackfish. Wow. We're using the Daiwa prawn with the OG. So we're pretty much flicking plastics out the side. I've got this one rod here. I love this for going for bait, the jewel rod with the 2500 sustain HG. Got about 15 pound old Siglong line. This line you can't get it anymore. Sliding sinker with 55 star sinker, 55 gram with a Gamakatsu. I don't know what swivel that is. I couldn't tell you. I think it's just Japanese one or whatever. 8 pound. I think I've got 8 pound on this, or 12, and I'm just chucking that out into the corner there with some yellowtail. Oh, actually not yellowtail, tailor. A big chunk of tailor. Not big chunk, but a big tailor, and I put size 1 breakaway hook, and I'm just casting it towards those rocks over there. Not really the rocks, but the pylon, whatever. Spit it out, Nick. What's wrong with me? And then I'm just leaving that there to get bites. And I've got this rod here that I'm going to bring in and put another squid on. And we'll put another fresh squid on, and then I'll go back to my flicking. And that way you keep busy. You know, you're always doing something. And, ooh, sorry, mate. And look, they've gone straight for the head again. So I'm going to put that other piece of head on. That's here. They like eating the head. Put that back down. Go back through. Doesn't need to be too neat. More messed up, it looks a bit better, to be honest. I'm just going to wave this through. Whatever fish comes along, will hopefully take that. Doesn't matter. Look at what it looks like. I should have made a bucket so I can wash my hands. Anyway, it is what it is. Always forget something, and I'm going to cast this rod into the darkness underneath the bridge.
Cast the bridge.
Of course, I'm not silly. Over there like that. So it's out of everyone's way, so there's no tangulation with my mate next to me. My beautiful friend bringing me out in the boat. And then we can just kick back and flick plastics. Always make sure the drag's on. So your rod can be on pretty tight if you've got it on a stand like this. I'll just make sure it's on so it just doesn't rip out of its mouth, and then I'll go back to the plastics. Easy, easy, easy peasy. Always working. And I'll flick out to the side, like so. And I'll let you know if I get anything else on plastics. I'm sure we will, but I'll let you know. Alright guys, it's time to change it up. The new, what are they called again? Z-Man prawns. If this doesn't get nothing here, there's something seriously wrong. Honestly. Let's give it a whirl. There's sharks. Heaps of sharks around today because of the water conditions. Port Jackson? Yeah? I think at Bream. Hope so. No, it's not big. That's a bream. It's a baby little bream. Mate, every time. Stop. Oh. Bro, they're driving me crazy today. Stop. Ouch. Oh, yeah. Get the net, cuz. Not big, but still, I want it. I was trying to, he just tried to wrap me around something. That's a bream. It's a bream. Yes. Bloody thought it was a Jew. Hit so hard. Bastard. Mad. Mad. On the plastic. Love getting Jews on the plastic. I mean, love getting bream on the plastics. Oh, he got off. Bugger. More fish. It's like a big plastic. Little piglets. Little piglets they are. It's a big plastic. Don't always need to use.
What the fuck is that, bro?
Oh, he just casted his rod. Oh! Bream rod just got a mad hit. Like I said, guys, when you grab them nice and tight so they don't sting you. And that's how you do it. What the hell did I just sit on? Guys, see these knife sharpeners? I love them. They work so good. I'm already dirty anyway, who cares? You got to get yourself one of these. They're cracker. Use the one in the middle. So you use the one in the middle like this. Get it really sharp. And then use this one. Yeah. Where's your pliers? Bro, I bring in this thing and it's there's a worm. It's a weird looking worm. Wait, where's my pliers? Has anyone seen this before? Bro.
Move it off here. Tuck it in, man.
You reckon you can touch that?
To him. Looks like a normal
Bro, look at
fucking
that.
worm.
Yeah, but look at the tail on it.
Yuck, bro, chuck it in, please.
What, on a bait?
No.
I want to use off a bait. Has anyone seen a worm like this before? Oh, don't go around that line. So I think there's some big bream popping around, guys. It'd be good if we get some big bream. Bro, this guy was fighting so hard. What the hell is going on there? Guys, when I was winding it in, I hit a fish. Look at the scale. I hit a Jew. I whacked a Jew on its side. Wow. Kidding me, I'm not a fish? Can't be. No, my mother line.
Is that a big fish, is it?
Yeah, bream. Yeah.
Big bream.
Snapper.
What the?
Snapper.
What the? You're joking. You are joking.
Wow. You're kidding. Ah, stop. Stop. You're joking, eh? Stop. Legal snapper, nice size snapper, not huge, but like 30 something, 40 maybe.
Underestimate.
Wow,
Show us. Nice.
the colours on him. Snapper, we'd never know, would you? You'd never know. Wow.
Bring him the esky.
So guys, this thing is 42 centimetres. 42 centimetre. Okay, go, wait.
Bro, you have to see what I've done.
It's alright, just take it easy, take it easy. Take it easy, brother, take it easy. Take it easy, it's alright. Take it easy, my man. That's it, just take your time. It's a Jew. Oh, it's still there, it's all still there. It's not tangled. It's not, cuz it's not tangled, it's a big fish.
Tangled.
Oh, yeah, come here.
He's here.
Yeah. Good man. You got him, brother. You got him. Here, high five. See, you just have to wait a little bit longer, brother. Just have to wait a little bit longer. What do you take, a live yakka?
Yeah.
Remember when I said when those yakas start coming through? Hold him up, bro. Hold him up. Let's have a peek at this thing. Good boy. Engulfed it. Engulfed that tailor. Engulfed it. Straight down. He wasn't going anywhere. Where's the pliers, G? See if it's legal. Alright. Always baby little ones. Where's the mummies? Where's the mummies, guys? Where's the mummies? But you know what? The sun's coming up. Don't sting me. Oh, look at that beautiful sunset, guys. Look at that. We're going to try to get some morning dew or something. Never know, we get some kings. Wouldn't that be bloody mad? We're crazy, guys. All night and then all day. Let's go. Not all day, but until we can can't stand it anymore. I don't know what it is. To the morning time. Crack a morning, guys. Crack a morning to yous. This has no play. It's so weird. Oh, oh. He's a weird fish, man. Oh. Bro, I need the net.
Seriously?
Wallah.
How the fuck are you stingray?
I don't know. But he's heavy, man. He's rather caught around line or something. Ugh. Banjo shark.
Huh?
Banjo shark. That's one way to get it off. Jew took bloody, I think so. I think it's a Jew. Has to be. I don't know what it is, but if it's a flatty, I'm gonna freak out. Yeah, I think it's a flatty. Yep, it's a flatty. Bloody hell. Caught on the side, felt 10 times bigger than it was.
No, it's still on.
Still on there?
Yeah.
Go, go, go. You tried to wrap ya.
No, what?
No, he's off. He wrapped you around something.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Bring it in, lad. Bring it in, lad. Oh!
Oh, this is a good boy, bro.
Hopefully it's not a shark.
No.
That is a shark, bro. It's not a
It's
Jew.
not.
No head shakes yet.
No. Yeah, not a Jew, mate.
Was it a Jewy?
Nah.
No, banjos. This is weird. Oh, look at the way it's running up. It's running high. I don't know what this is. What the hell? Oh, it's a tailor. No bait, bro. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
The other one, the other one, the other one.
Don't snap off. That's a good lively bait. Come here, you monkey. No, he wasn't snapping it, look. Bro, if you wanted to get a Jew...
No,
No, man, if you wanted a Jew, you'd throw that out. I'm telling ya. I'm telling ya, throw this puppy out.
off the beach, bro.
Or even here, bro. You never know where that big one's lurking. Bro, should I put 50 pound and put him down with 2 tennos? What do you reckon? It's deep. It's taken a prawn jig. Right, we went to a deeper spot. Might be a bream actually. It's a snapper. Snapper on the. A snapper on the prawn jig. That's what's hitting our baits now, a snapper, I reckon.
You need lines out, eh?
On a Jew, guys, I think it's a Jew.
It is. Head shakes.
Head shakes, but it's not massive. Waited till the bloody morning.
Look back a bit,
It's
bro.
alright, it's alright, relax. It's alright, he's done. Boom. Yeah.
It's a good.
Oh, sorry, bro. You got him?
Yeah.
These delta rods, mate. These delta rods, I'm telling you. These delta rods. Oh. Thanks, bro. I love that net. Yeah, nice morning dew. Nice morning dew, guys. Why not? Why not, eh? Why not eggs? This is why you don't give up, guys. This is why you don't give up. He is 85.